Right, this is a Laney Klipp dating from, I believe, 1979, could be earlier. And I had this 4.5 years ago, in June 2017, and I'd done a lot of work on it at that time. All new valve bases, including the power valves bases, all new valves, and considerable other work I've done inside which I've yet to have a look at. It's come back because it's gone bang, and it's quite apparent here. This power valve, this 6L6 GC, is gone. It's got the milk and magnesia, and its next door neighbour has been severely overheated. As you can see, the print has been burnt off, the lettering. I did sub out a couple of sacrificial tubes to try, and it started to red plate. So there's something going on inside. So the next step will be to remove the chassis from the cabinet and have a look what's going on. On a footnote, I remember I fitted a modern kettle socket here all them years ago, 4.5 years ago. I can't remember if I fitted this voltage, impedance selector or not. It had blown the 1 amp HT fuse, which is not surprising, but the mains fuse remained intact and okay. So this is part 1. Part 2 when we look on the inside. See ya.